Children, welcome all. In the last class, we studied the 6-digit numbers. Do you all remember? Today, we will study the 7-digit numbers, their periods, number names, how to write the number when the names are given. Children, look here. Which is the greatest 6-digit number? It is 9,99,999. 9,99,999. How will you mark the periods? Last 3 places comes under the period ones. That is ones, tens, hundreds comes under the period 1. These 2 period, next 2 places are the period 1000. This 1000 and 10,000 comes under the period 1000. This place is the period lakh. Now, when 1 is added to this number, what is the number we get? Look here, 9,99,999. When we add 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Remainder 1. 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 9 plus 1, 10. Count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got the 7-digit number. Today we will study the 7-digit number. How will you mark the periods? We know these last 3 places comes in the ones period. That is ones, tens, hundreds. We put a comma here. Then the next 2 places, it comes in the period 1000. We put a comma again here. Then the newly added digit, that is the 1, that is the 8th digit, comes in the place lakh. This is the lakh place that we know. Till here we studied till here, till lakh. Today we got a new digit, 8th digit, and we placed this 1 in this 8th digit in the 10 lakh period, 10 lakh place. Which place, children? 10 lakh place. So this comes under the period 1000, and this place, these 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh, comes under the period lakh. So already how many periods in an 8-digit number? Ones, 1000 and lakh. How many? 3 periods. Which are they? Ones, 1000, lakh. Once again, children, say loudly. How many periods are there? Yes, 3 periods. Which are they? Ones, 1000 and lakh. Which is the greatest 8-digit number? Can you say? Which is the greatest 8-digit number? Yes, 99. This is in 10 lakhs place. So 99 lakh. 9 lakh. This is in the 1 lakh place, and this is in the 10 lakh place. 99 lakh, 99,999. This is the greatest 7-digit number. A number name is given. Can you write down a number? 83 lakh 52,000. 83 lakh 52,000. How will you write? In the lakh place 83. 83 lakh. Then 52,000. 1000 place comes 52. Then it's over. One's period. Is there anything in the any digit in the ones period? No. So we put 30. Understood? Then what will be the number? How will you write the number? 1,510. 1 lakh. 1 lakh means this 10 lakh place is 0. 1 lakh. Lakh place 1. 1 lakh 510. That is 1000 place 0 0. 1000 place there is no number. And 510. Now you got the number? After doing many more exercises, you will study how to write a number. Okay? Don't worry. Which is the greatest 7-digit number? 99,99,999. How will you mark the period? Ones, tens, hundreds place comes under the period ones. 1,000, 10,000 place comes under the period 1,000. So we put a comma here. Lakh, 10 lakh comes in one period lakh. Okay? Then when we add 1 to this number, what will you get? Look at 9 plus 1, 10. Remainder 1. 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 This 9 and 1 when we count together gives 10. How many digits are there? Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. Till now we studied up to 7-digit number and we know the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and the newly added digit, that is the 8th place, comes under the place crore. Which place? It is the crore. So this number is 1 crore. 1 and 7 0. 1 crore. 8 digit. The smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Today we will study to write down the number, mark the periods and write down the number names. Let's see. Look here. These are some questions from exercise 2.2, section A. Look at the question. 5th question. 5, 6, 7, 8. I am showing here. Look at the number. You have to mark the periods. Now you know how to mark a period. Look at the number. How will you read? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So this number comes under crore. Which number? Crore. So how will you mark the period? We know the last three places comes in one's period. So we put comma here. Then the next two places, that is 1000, 10,000. Here there are no numbers in the 1000 place. So 0 here. 1000 and 10,000. Again a 0 separated. Then the next two places are lakhs place, lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh. Then a comma and this number in the crore. Which period? Crore. So 1 crore. Then you can easily read this number as, read with me, 1 crore 53 lakh 715. Once again, 1 crore 53 lakh 1000 place, there is no number. So the next period 700, this is in the hundreds place, so 715. Look at the next number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got the idea. Last 3 digit comes under one's group. So here put a comma. Next two numbers comes under the group 1000. So we separated it with a comma. Next two digits comes under the group lakh. So we put a comma here. And this number is in the period crore. Which period? Crore. So how will you read this number? How many commas here? This is ones, 1000, lakh, crore. Then how will you read this number? 5 crore 67 lakh. Read with me. 80,000 109. You got 5 crore 67 lakh 80,109. Look at the next question. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Here now we easily understood to separate 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2, comma next number. So which is this place? It is the, yes, come on children, say loudly, it is the period crore. So how will you read this number? This is ones place, 1000 place, lakh place and crore. 3 crore, this is lakh. 61 lakh, this is 1000, 20,000. This is hundreds place, 980. You know there are in the hundreds place you will get 3 digit in the hundreds place, 100, that is 100. From this position you have to count 3 digits and put a comma here. After 2 digit again put a comma, again 2 digit and put a comma. That is ones period, 3 places. 3 places, count and put a comma. Then 1000 place, 2 digit. Look here, 1000 place, 2 digit, put a comma. Then lakh period, 2 places. 2 places, put a comma. How will you read the number? 3 crore 61 lakh 20,000 980. Then look at the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 digit. How will you mark the comma? From this position, you have to count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. Not from here, from here. From left, you have to put comma. 1, 2, 3, a comma. Then count 2 numbers. 1, 2. Again put a comma. 1, 2. So there are no numbers, so we stopped here. Look, this is the ones place, ones period. This 1000 period. This lakh period. So we can rate this as 16 lakh. Look here, the 10,000 place there is 0. In the ones 1000 place it is 1. So we, as there is 0, as it is 0 in the 10,000 place, we will rate only this place. Look here, hundreds place 0. So we will rate these two places. Like this the number name goes on. Look here, 16 lakh 1000 12, because 10,000 place is there is 0. Hundreds place it is 0. So we read this as 16 lakh 1012. Once again children, 16 lakh 1012. You got the idea? Like this you have to mark comma from questions up to 1 to 4 in text only. Okay. Children, you have to write the number here. Look at the section B. Question 4. Here the number name is given. It is 3 crore. 3 crore 95,000 lakh, that is only 1000 place is given here. So lakh place is absent, so we can put 0 there. Then 515, hundreds place is given, tens place is the, ones place is the 15, as it is 15, 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. So we can write the number. Crore, we know, first of all you have to put ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and a crore. First you have to put the number 3 crore. You have to mark this with pencil only, okay? 3 crore. We write 3 crore here. Then 95,000, that is 0 here, 0 in the 10 lakh. Look, there is no number in the lakh place. So we put 0 in the 10 lakh, 0 in the lakh, then we got 95,000. 95, 5, 9 in 10,000 place and 5 in the 1000 place. Then look, 500, 100, 5, 15, 1, 5. Look children, how easily we got the number? I think this is the easiest method. So after this you can rub this. Okay, you got the number. Then how will you mark the period? My left is your right. So from this side you have to put 3 comma. After 3 digit you have to put a comma here. 1, 2, 3. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, from the last 3 digit you put a comma. Then 1, 2. A comma. 1, 2. A comma. This is after hundreds, a comma. 1000, 10,000, comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Okay. Now you got the answer easily. Okay. Then we can go to the next question. Like this you can write any number when a number name is given. Okay. Look at the board. Second question. 70 crore 1006. We don't know how to write that number. So the easy method, I told you the easy method, you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. You wrote all the digits, all the places, all the places. Then look, 70 crore and here 10 crore. 10 crore. 70 crore. 70 crore means 70. Crore 0. 10 crore is 70. Then 1000. 1000 means lakh place 0. 10 lakh place 0. Lakh place 0. 1000. Here only 1. Here 1. 6. Last place 6. All other places we have to put which digit? Yes, 0. Put here 0, 0, 0. Got the number? How fast we got the number? This is an easy method. Okay. Children, look at the next question. Question number 5. What is the question? Read the question. 62 lakh 239. While reading question, we do not understand how to write. What is a number? We don't know anything. For this, you have to write down the places. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, then 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. We know this much places. What comes left to crore? That is 10 crore. Okay. Then we wrote this much places. Look at the number that starts. Which number starts? 62 lakh. Lakh is the starting number. Lakh is the starting number here. So look at the place lakh here, 10 lakh and lakh, 62. So there are 2 digits. So we can write 6 in the 10 lakh period place and 2 in the lakh place. Write down 62. Lakh, 10 lakh and a lakh, 62 lakh. Then write down 200. Hundreds place. 200. 39. 39. Look at the number. This 1000 place is missing. So we put what you have to put there? We have to put 0. Got the number? How easy, no? Like this, you have to write the questions 1 and 3. Homework 1 and 3. Children, in this method, if you are writing in this method, you will get the answer quickly. In this method, you can write all the digits. Even if it is 4 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, you can write it easily. Okay. Can we go to the next section? Look at the question. Question C. 2.2. Question C. Number 1. All of you listen carefully. Please put down your pencil. No need of writing now. Look at the board and listen carefully. If you learn to write one number, then you will get the idea to write all the numbers without any help. Okay. So listen here. First of all, on seeing any number, you have to write the places. Look here. Ones place, tens, hundreds. This is 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. So we easily got the number name. This under crore. So 6 crore. 6 crore. Then look, in the lakhs place which number comes? 21. So 21 lakh. 20. You need to remember the number name. Okay. 21. 21. This is the lakh place. 21 lakh. Then look at the next place. It is a 1000 period. 37. So 37,000. Then 100th place. 405. 405. If you put comma like this, you can easily identify the number and write the number name. Okay, so you have to put comma always while writing the number. Look children, next question number 4. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. You have to write the number in words. First of all, what you have to do? You have to find out the places of this number. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Then how will you write the number? Very easy. No? Then tell me the number name. 4 crore. This is the lakh period. This is the 1000 period. And this is 100 ones period. There is comma here. 3 places comma, 2 place comma, 2 place comma. Then 4 crore, 82 lakh, 90,000, 649. Very easy. No, maths is very easy, no? No need to worry. Okay. And then write down in words. 4 crore. 82 lakh. 19,000. 19,649. 649. 4 crore 82 lakh 19,649. This is how to write the number in words. This way we have to write the number in words. Okay. Then shall we go to the next question? This you no need to write down now. Only the homework you have to write in your notebook. No need of writing all this in your notebook. Okay. Children, look at the next question. Question number 6. The number is given there and it is marked by periods also. Look at 3 digits, comma, 2 digit a comma, 2 digit a comma. First, what will you have to do first? Yes, first you have to mark the places. Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000. With me. Say louder. Say louder with me. 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and finally the crore. So you got the number name. How will you write the number? All the places are here. 5 crore. If one more place is placed in the left side, which place it comes? Yes, it comes under the place 10 crore. How will you write? 5 crore. 5 crore. 5 crore. Then which period? It is the lakh. How much the number? How much lakh? 62 lakh. 62. 62 lakh. Then next place, which place? It is the 1000 period. How many? Only 1000. Look here, 10,000 place is 0 and 1 in the 1000 place. So we need to write only 1000. After lakh we write 1000 as the 10,000 place is 0. We have to write number in the 1000 place. 1000. 1000. Then which number comes? Which number we have to write down? Do we need to write this 0? No. Do we need to write this 0? No. Then which place we want to write? Number in the ones place. All the others are 0. So 1000 and 5. How easily you got the number? You got the number name. In this way you can write and read all the numbers. Okay. I think all the difficult questions are covered by me. You have to write down the remaining questions. That is question number 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. Okay, that you can do. You can do as homework. This you need to write in your notebook. All others you have to write in your textbook only. Okay. Children, I will give you notes of this. After writing the notes, you can write down the exercises. Then next day on the next class, we will study next section. Okay. Thank you.